And welcome. Today I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 15. The best arrangement and effective use of available space in order to provide efficient services by the staff is known as A. Office layout, B. Office procedure, C. Organizational chart, D. Organizational strategy, and E. Organizational structure. Now let's analyze each of these options to get our answer. Now A here says office layout. Now office layout simply refers to the arrangement. This is the arrangement. Refers to the arrangement of equipment within available space. Within available space to provide efficient services. To provide efficient services. Now B here says office procedure. Now office procedure is simply refers to the sequence in which certain operations are carried out in an organization. That lists what is done. It simply refers to as what is done, when, how, and where it is done in the organization. Where it is done in the organization. So like I told you, I say what? It is a sequence in which certain operations are carried out in this organization. Now C here says what? Organizational chart. This is also known as organogram. We call it an organogram. And this organizational chart is just a diagram that shows the structure of an organization and the relationship and relative ranks of its parts. So this diagram is a diagram that just what? It shows the structure of an organization. Structure of an organization, its various parts and ranks. Now D here says organizational strategy. Now this is the sum of actions a company intends to take to achieve their long-term goal. These are actions, the strategies, they are actions that companies take to achieve their goal. Then E says organizational structure. Now organizational structure simply refers to the activities such as tasks, allocation and coordination and supervision that are directed towards the achievement of organizational aims. That's organizational structure. The activities such as task allocation and coordination that are directed towards achievement. So activity directed towards achievement. That's what we call organizational structure. Now from the option you will see that A, organization office layout is the answer to this question. That is, it is the arrangement of equipment, that is using the available space. Using the available space to provide efficient services. And the question says the best arrangement and effective use of available space in order to provide efficient services by staff is known as dash, and that is office layouts, option A. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.